Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage blockchain projects with ConsenSys, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To manage blockchain projects with ConsenSys, begin by visiting the ConsenSys website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Projects section on the dashboard. Select Create New Project to initiate a new blockchain project. Choose the appropriate template that aligns with your project's needs. Fill in the project details, including the project name and description. Select the desired blockchain network, such as Ethereum or another supported network. Set your project's goals and objectives to clarify the direction. Assign team members to the project by entering their email addresses. Once team members are added, outline their roles and responsibilities. Utilize the project timeline feature to establish deadlines for milestones. Next, manage your resources by uploading necessary documentation and files. Integrate tools like GitHub or Trello for enhanced collaboration. Monitor project progress through the dashboard, which provides key metrics. Conduct regular check-ins with team members to ensure alignment. Adjust project timelines and goals as necessary based on feedback. Use the built-in communication tools for real-time updates and discussions. Once your project is near completion, initiate testing procedures. Gather feedback from stakeholders to refine the product. After thorough testing, prepare for the deployment phase carefully. Finally, launch your project and celebrate the successful completion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.